right, and last math video of the day. Okay, we're on page 66. Math box is 3-1. This one says 3 children rode their bikes a total of 23 miles. I see total, that's a key word. Okay, that means all together. One child rode 9 miles and one rode 8 miles. How many miles did the third child ride? Write number models. Number models is plural. That means write more than one. Then your answer with units. Number 2, draw an array of 8 circles in 2 equal rows. So, how many rows and how many circles go in each row? Draw an array of 10 circles in 2 equal rows. How many rows and how many circles in each row? Number 3, equally share 16 pennies between 2 children. You may draw a picture. Each child gets how many pennies if you split them equally? Remember, when we split things equally, what are we doing? Are we adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing? Equal shares. We're dividing them equally. So each child gets how many pennies? There are how many pennies left over? And remember, when we have leftovers, it's called remainders. And then our number model with a remainder. For number 4, our units is trees. 17 minus 8 equals what, right? That's how we read it. 27 minus 8 equals what? 47 minus 8 equals what? 127 minus 8 equals what? And 167 minus 8 equals what? I notice that all of these end with 7, and I notice that we're taking away 8 from each of them. Figure out a strategy. And lastly, Jenna drew this array. Look at Jenna's array and your arrays in problem 2. Okay? What do you notice about the total number of circles in each array? When you're done with this math boxes, please send a picture to your teacher. Have a great day.